My daughter gonna have something at her house. I'm gonna take it up there.
I'm down here with Miss Cat, y'all. We made it.
It moves quick too. They have 2 lines.
Say hello to
Hello.
everybody.
Hello. Y'all keep me in prayer because I need my 10-piece of fish. I need my fish. Y'all keep me in prayer now. Tell the world to pray for me.
Yeah, we need a 10-piece.
We gotta take a picture though. We should have done. I let my husband got away.
He gone.
Birthday man. Yeah.
Say we need a 10-piece.
They done. They cold front shut them down.
They shut him down. That's what happened.
They done went to the deep though. They done come out of this shallow right now.
So we need to be, what about?
In deep. That end. This the north end right here.
So we need to be on what end?
This south. South end. Down there.
Where they at?
Is somebody down there?
Oh, over on that side.
We need to be on that end.
That's where she be saying that's where they be going.
What she said, it's a long walk.
She say this a long walk, not
Yes,
over
it-
there.
Huh?
She say this the long walk right here.
Well, shit, we need to go over there.
It's flat.
That's the deep right there.
That's where they be at.
Well, we need to go over there.
Mhm.
How can we get over there?
Something eating my worm, must be a turtle. It's a turtle.